Good morning. My name is Sandra Battle. I am a CTE teacher and I'll be introducing Amazon function today of coupons. So the coupon section could be found on the main page and it's around this section right here. This is coupons. So we're going to go back and then I'm going to click my cursor onto coupons. Once you get to coupons, you're going to see a lot of items that are on sale. So I'm going to scroll down and get a quick glance at anything that's on sale on Amazon. Another section you should be aware of are coupons, renewed deals, outlet, Amazon warehouse,